What do you think?
Wow.
Don't take a picture. I have not draped it properly.
You look so beautiful. When did you buy that nose thingy?
The Nerds Dhruv. It's a Maharashtrian design. Remember I told you I was saving up for it. I bought it a couple of weeks back from Velvet Case.
Something like that would make anyone look pretty, no?
Thanks, Dhruv. How charming. Anyway, I don't think it goes with this sari. And this sari is also not very shadi type. I think I want to try something new.
Kavu, please hurry up na yaar. Subah 4 baje uठ के निकलना है and I checked that bhaji lady sits only for 2 hours.
Just give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. What do you think of this?
It's nice.
See, I like this, but somehow... Dhruv!
It's nice.
Okay, last one. Dhruv!
It's nice.
Dhruv.
It's nice.
Stop saying it's nice to everything now. Say something different.
Because it's just nice. It's not amazing. It's too late, yaar. My mind is not working. Kavu सो जाते हैं यार. 4 बजे उठना है, 2 घंटे travel करना है. I really want to eat those corn bhajis, yaar.
Yeah, none of these are amazing and they're not even going well with the North. I think I'll buy something nice for Prachi's wedding. Okay, I'll come in 2 minutes. You sleep.
Good night.
Good night. Wake up, Momo. Wake up now.
I just can't do it.
It's 12:30, Dhruv.
What? Shit, we missed it. क्या है यार?
You forgot to put the alarm?
Yeah, because of the whole sari thing, no.
Hey, how is it my fault? Don't turn this around me. You forgot to put the alarm.
Yeah, because I was sleepy and confused.
हाँ, okay ना?
अरे no, I really wanted to eat those bhajis, man.
आधा दिन तो ऐसे ही चला गया. बाकी सब इतने मजे कर रहे हैं. We are sitting here in bed and...
Yeah, we were supposed to have a good time.
Yeah, but what is
also,
the point of us fighting now? I know how to turn this Sunday around. Give me 30 minutes and I'll fix something for you.
कुत्ता. Kabu, we have to check this new Kerala place out, man. It looks stored. Shit. It's not possible, no?
At least appreciate the effort, Dhruv.
That I obviously do, but Bombay Book had put up this new post and thought कि चलो यार आज कुछ नया खाते हैं. तो बस मुंह में पानी आ गया.
1 minute. Don't do that now.
Baker.
Wait.
What? Please let me eat. भूख लग रही है मुझे यार. Please.
The mustard sauce now, please.
It's such an amazing experience, right?
What is?
Dating a slob here like me.
I'm not lazy, okay?
Of course, no, yeah, sure.
I'm just chilled out.
Of course.
I made all this, na?
I know, and it looks great. I mean it. Thank you.
Dude, this Megha keeps traveling all the time, man. It's not fair. She even went to a Coldplay concert. Look.
Sure. Cool यार. यार हमारे घर में पोकेमॉन क्यों नहीं है? विराज को 2 मिल गए, पता है? Not fair.
अच्छा, listen. Let's watch a film.
Oh, it's my turn, no?
No, my turn.
Shit, remember? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Interrupt.
No.
Arey, what's your problem? I've heard it's a good film.
Yeah, it's a very good film, but it's an animated film, man. And all those films have at least 2-3 moments which will make you cry. फिर तू सेंटी हो जाएगी और तू बात नहीं करेगी. फिर मैं पूछता रहूंगा, कबू क्या हुआ? Do you want to talk? Do you want to talk? But you wouldn't want to talk. But exactly at 7 o'clock you would want to talk, and that's when Liverpool will be playing Chelsea, and then you'll make a face. You'll make exactly this face. Yes, this face. Hold. So pretty when pissed off.
You okay?
Yeah, obviously.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Take her to the moon for me.
Oh, so cute. You cried and all.
This is why I didn't want to watch this film. वहाँ आकाश गोवा में बीच पे बैठा हुआ है, बियर पी के चिल कर रहा है, और मैं यहाँ बिंग बोंग के जाने का अफसोस कर रहा हूँ.
Don't ruin the film like that, na? It's a good film.
I know it's a good film, but I just wanted to watch something nice, relaxed, funny.
You want to go to the arcade and play air hockey? It's been a while since I kicked your ass at it anyway.
No way. Liverpool versus Chelsea, 7 p.m.
Arey, so what? One game. Chal na. Chicken.
Okay, fine. One game. We'll be back by 7.
So you're on.
You know, you should not put kajal on Sundays.
Just like how you don't shower on Sunday.
Exactly. At least हफ्ते में एक दिन तो we should know how we really look. I think it's quite nice, intense. It's very naked, no?
You're talking to me.
Taxi driver, like so obvious.
Excuse me, sir. If you don't mind me asking, आप लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Games खेलने.
Arcade.
हाँ यार, arcade.
आप नहीं जा सकते सर.
क्यों भाई? सीन क्या है? आप कौन है?
एक्चुअली आई एम द मैनेजर ऑफ दिस मॉल सर. ऊपर ना एक छोटे बच्चे की बर्थडे पार्टी चल रही है और आपकी टी शर्ट पे इन कॉक वी ट्रस्ट लिखा.
हाँ तो
सर कोई कंप्लेन कर देगा, इशू हो सकता है सर. प्लीज ट्राई अंडरस्टैंड.
यार ये मेरी फेवरेट चिली सॉस की टी शर्ट है.
श्रीराचा एक सॉस का नाम है सर.
मैम दैट डजंट मैटर मैम. किसी ने कंप्लेन कर दिया प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. एंड प्लस आज मेरा फर्स्ट डे है.
कुछ भी मत बोलो यार. गेम्स खेलना है, खेलने दो यार.
सर प्लीज ट्राई अंडरस्टैंड सर. कोई प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, कंप्लेंट हो सकता है. मेरी नौकरी खतरे में होगी. प्लीज ट्राई.
ऐसे कैसे यार?
प्लीज कोऑपरेट. थैंक
कुछ
यू.
भी हो रहा है यार.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू. सॉरी. प्लीज कम अगेन टुमारो. थैंक यू.
ऐसे कैसे निकाल दिया बाहर?
अरे तो you should have at least taken a shower or changed your t-shirt, ना?
आज संडे है और मैं संडे को नहीं नहाता. You know it, no?
So what do you want to do now?
I don't know. You wanna just go home and have sex?
Please don't look this bored while saying it, na?
क्या करना है फिर?
You want to go to a salon with me?
What? Why would I want to do that?
Because then I can get a hair spa and then when you play with my hair, it'll be more fun.
When was the last time I did that? अपना हाथ डालूंगा ना वहाँ खो जाएगा मेरा.
But you used to, na, and I miss all that.
क्या मेरा मैच है?
तू फोन पे देख लेना. Please. Okay, I've decided. We're going to a salon and I'm buying a coupon on Ridla.
We are not going. Please मत खरीद. तेरे पैसे और वेस्ट हो जाएंगे.
नहीं होंगे. I'll get a full refund, but that's not the point. It's a Sunday, ना तू फोन पे देख ले.
अरे फोन पे फील नहीं आती यार. Okay, see, there are 52 Sundays in a year. उनमें से the chances of
I
Liverpool.
know the chances of Liverpool playing on a Sunday is 8.8%.
Yeah.
But it's a Sunday now. I want to do something.
Pretty curls. But why don't you maintain your curls? They're pretty nice.
I don't know how to.
Why don't you do any protein treatment or any kind of styling for your hair?
Listen,
हाँ.
should I get the hair spa done or the keratin treatment? If I get the keratin...
Oh shit! इतना close था यार. हाँ, get it ना?
Which one?
हाँ. Get the herbal one.
Why not the extra protein one?
हाँ, get that. That's the best one.
तू तेरा game देख. You do what you think is best. Okay.
कुत्ता कुत्ता है तू साले कुत्ते हरामी जो लोड़ू कुत्ता.
Could you please watch your match outside?
चोद.
How's it looking?
क्या करवाया है? कोई डिफरेंस भी नहीं लग रहा.
Just like there's no difference in Liverpool's position in the league.
गुस्सा क्यों हो रही है?
You need to learn how to behave in public.
गलती से हो गया यार, नहीं रियलाइज हुआ.
गलती? Really?
अब ये सीरियसली गलती से हुआ है. सीरियसली. डिनर पे चलना है. चाइनीज, मुगलाई,
It's too oily.
इटालियन,
Too boring.
मेक्सिकन.
Actually, I'm done.
Don't say that यार.
I'm full, but I'll have a little bit. Promise. Hey, let's go to that Kerala place.
Oh yeah. How did I forget about that? Good one, Kulkarni. Yeah.
Always.
45 minutes waiting.
Serious.
You know what? Let's go home. Pick ingredients for Thai curry. We'll have that with rice. Best option है.
Oh yeah, I can make a full snap story with instructions on how to make Thai curry. Screw you, Megha.
Kavu, your day was nothing like how you made it out on Snapchat.
अरे तो क्या हुआ? I don't want to tell everyone ना that I had a boring Sunday. सब कहाँ जा रहे हो और हम यहाँ बैठ के पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं.
ये क्या solid FOMO है? I know our day didn't go according to the plan, but it's not that we are that bad a Sunday. We had an epic breakfast. Dude, I got chucked out of a salon, dude. Like how often does that happen? 2 महीने हम इस बात पे हंसते ही रहेंगे. And seeing you with those funny red hair clips and watching Coutinho score that goal. Now that made my Sunday. Of course, it could be much cooler and much happening, but ऐसे तो हर दिन हो सकता है ना. And अभी तो थाई करी बाकी है.
Listen. Can we just order pizza instead? I'm really tired.
Thank God you said that. Even I'm very tired, man. Wait, what about your Snap story then?
I don't care.
Yeah?
Really?
And लोग क्या कहेंगे?
बाहर में गए लोग. You know, it might sound lame, but you know what I really want to do? I want to have some pizza, have a nice glass of red wine, finish watching Inside Out, and sleep.
That sounds perfect.
Sounds like our kind of Sunday.
Exactly.
It's not for us to say what will be, and at the end of the day, we'll see which way the whole thing bends and what it could bring. 'Cause nothing really matters except the little things. Some say it works like this, maybe it's true, but the truth can lie sometimes, that's fate.